Here I'm going to create a Magic 8 Ball game. A Magic 8 Ball game is where you click on an 8 ball and it gives you some answers which make it look like the 8 ball is predicting the future. Here are the 20 answers that are commonly used, so I'll be able to do that. So to start, I opened up Google App Inventor, I started AI Starter, then I booted up the emulator. So I need a button for when the game to start. When the game starts, I'll rename it button button 8 ball, and I'll also use a picture. So we drag on the image. This is going to be the image of my 8 ball. So I click on picture and I upload the file. Okay, I think we'll call it Guess Future. That's my interface and it looks reasonable enough on the emulator, so I'll be able to click that button, it will do something. So we'll go to the blocks mode, and what we'll do is we'll have some of these responses in a list. So I'm going to have a list, make a list with some responses. And for time, I'm going to copy and paste these. Since it's a list, then I'm going to have to create it with a name. In fact, sorry, it's initialize when you first set it. Initialize my list. Okay, when I click the button, then what I'd like it to do is display the text somehow. So one way we might do that is to get it to speak the answer. So in design mode, I can go to, I think it's under media, we've got text to speech. Drag it in there, then it should work. Under blocks, I've now got text to speech. So I can call text to speech. And what message do I want? Well, it's from that list. So I can pick a random item from the list I created in the variables. So this may said it's certain, it's certain, it's certain, it's decidedly so. So it said the first one 3 times and the second one. I could keep doing it to convince myself that it's random. Now, to add more elements to the list, what I might like to do is to use, I think it'll be under lists, add items to list. Which list will it be? Obviously it'll be my list, and now I've got the items that I can add. When would this run? Probably when you first start the app. So if I remember, where's initialize screen? So when you first initialize the screen, you can add more items. Obviously mine's not finished, but you'd have to work down the list, adding more items to your Magic 8 Ball game.